Hello guys, this present Lord Bills versus Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta. What if? Who could be win of what if battle? I'm sure guys Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta God easily can beat Lord Bills because this power of level. In Super Saiyan 4, Super Saiyan, in Battle of Gods, Lord Bills, she harded to beat Super Saiyan God Goku in the Battle of Gods. Lord Bills can beat the Super Saiyan God Gogeta, Super Saiyan 2 Gogeta, and Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta, and Bills cannot beat the Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta. In this video, I go to Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta and agree to me and comment there and like and subscribe. Bye guys, this video, the Bills versus Gogeta. Bye guys, this present the Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta versus the Bills, the biggest fight in Battle of Gods, Dragon Ball Super History Episode 23.